Good morning, everybody. My name is Camilo Ruiz. In this activity, I will speak about to improve logistics efficiency. Okay, it's necessary to facilitate robust and sustained growth. Raising price of expensive from energy to labor to raw materials pose a challenge to every company's bottom line. By improving the efficiency of their logistic process, companies can gain and sustain an edge over their competition. For methods to increase logistic efficiency: 1. Maximize storage. 2. Optimize transportation. 3. Automate communication technology. And 4. Encourage feedback. Okay, partners to ensure quick delivery of products. Maximum storage. By analyzing and implementing warehousing products, companies can store, move, and ship products more effectively. 2. Optimize transportation. The rising cost of transportation accounts for increased price in virtually every industry. 3. Automate communication technology. Logistic management software communicates between the warehouse and accounting departments and allows for the delivery of timely updates to the customer. 4. Encourage feedback. The success of a company depends on input from all of its employees or teams, regardless of their role in the logistic process. Guys, this is the end. My name is Camilo Ruiz. Thank you.